Diamonds are forever? That's a marketing lie. We think they're indestructible assets. Can't scratch or crush them, right? But can you erase a diamond completely? This flawless diamond is worth $10,000. Now, meet our 1,200 degrees Celsius lava pit. Most think it'll just sink and get hot. Science says forever ends now. Let's start the fiery simulation. Diamonds are pure, concentrated carbon. Same atoms as pencil, graphite, or coal. Just arranged in a tighter structure. Basically, coal under extreme pressure. Pressure is useless against intense heat. It won't just change shape, it will vanish. Simulation ready. Dropping it in 3, 2, 1. Contact. No explosion like with the iPhone. No black smoke, not yet anyway. It resists the heat for a few seconds. Look at the edges, glowing, eerie blue-white. Not melting like aluminum, something rarer. It's undergoing sublimation, a phase transition. Solids usually turn liquid, then gas. Carbon skips the liquid phase entirely. Lava's heat and oxygen break it down. Carbon atoms bond with oxygen, creating invisible carbon dioxide gas. In a vacuum, it'd turn into graphite. Oxygen makes it burn away slowly. It's getting smaller, evaporating quickly. Scary part, in a fire, it turns to air. You'd watch $10,000 vanish silently. Ghostly white fog floating away unseen. You can't scoop it, can't fix it, gone. The fire is dying down. Let's check. Nothing. Zero. Absolutely nothing left. Battery left a skeleton. iPhone a frame. Diamond left. Absolutely nothing behind. It is a ghost, now just a memory. The hardest material on Earth failed here. We've destroyed tech, we've destroyed gems. But some things don't burn, they dissolve. Next experiment, switching chemicals now. Vote in comments, plastic bottle versus acid? Or nuclear waste versus solar panels? Top comment chooses the next liquid test. Subscribe for science and more experiments. Class dismissed for today. Thanks, folks. Diamonds may look invincible, but aren't. Extreme heat reveals their hidden weakness. a valuable lesson about material limits. Even the strongest can have a breaking point. This experiment shows nature's power. It transforms the seemingly permanent. Consider this when valuing possessions. True worth isn't always about durability. It's about understanding inherent nature. So, question assumptions and stay curious. Until next time, keep exploring science.